Metadata Utility, Batch Operations, Bulk Switchboard. From the main switchboard, click on Enter View Information Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Batch Operations Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Bulk Switchboard. Once in Metadata Utilities Bulk Switchboard, we will have the following options. First option would be Metadata Utility Bulk Update Process. And our second option available will be Metadata Utility Bulk Import Switchboard. For additional information on regards these two main options, as well as detailed instructions step-by-step how to download and synchronize movie information with Windows Media Center, we welcome our users to click and see any of the other available videos that we have, also our available playlists that we have, as well as to visit our website where we have detailed instructions step-by-step on how to properly manage in a variety of topics, from management, download, as well as synchronization and management of the Windows Media Center movie library. We welcome that. Our visit and our website address is metadatautility.com. Thank you for watching.